Hey, this is Chad Porno from My Content Creator Pro. Today I'm going to show you how you can take any YouTube video and turn it into a blog post on your WordPress website. It's so simple. I'm going to show you this powerful WordPress plugin that you get your hands on today. Okay, it's called My Content Creator Pro. Now, this is the elite version that does this right here with the YouTube to text to make the post. So the basic version does not do this. Now, this plugin has a lot more features that you can do, but today I'm only going to be talking about the YouTube to text to make it into a blog post on your WordPress website. And it's so easy. It's literally one click. You find the video that you want on YouTube, you post a link in there, and literally you get the content. You get the video, you get the content below it, you get the tags, and you get the featured image from the video, and then you can publish it. It's that simple. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to do it yourself once you have My Content Creator Pro, the elite version, okay? So once you're logged into your WordPress website, what you'll do is you'll come over here to post. Then you'll click on Add New to make a new post. Then right down here, you see YouTube video to post, and you put the URL right here to the video. So let's just say we found one right here. We're going to do a TED Talk right here, and then we're going to go back here. I'm going to show you how simple this is, literally one click. So now you just insert content, and you'll see how it will fill in the title right there. Okay, there's the title to the video. Here's the video right below it. Here's the content right here, all of it. Here's the link back to the YouTube. I would keep that there so it has the link back there. Plus it shows the person that made the video that you respect them, but you can take it out if you want, but I would leave it for the best practice, okay? You can see right over here, it takes the tags from the video, puts them there. It puts their image to the video right here, their featured image, puts it in your site there. So there's nothing that you have to do unless you want to make changes yourself. Okay, so there's perfect grammar, punctuation, all this good stuff in there. If you want to edit stuff, you can, but it's that simple. That's how easy it is to take any YouTube video and turn it into text. That's why it doesn't matter what niche you're in. Literally, there are millions and millions and millions and millions of videos in your niche that you can use and put content on your WordPress website and never run out of any kind of content that you need to keep blogging and getting your site to rank better and to get more traffic, and to have unlimited content with one click with this powerful feature that will take any YouTube video, turn it into text, and make it into a blog post on your WordPress website. So let's just say we find another one here. Here's another one here about internet marketing. So we'll take this right here. I'll copy that. Then we'll come back here. I'm just going to show you how simple it is again. Add New. Come down here. Like I said, one click. YouTube video to post. Click that right there. And again, look how easy it is. Super fast. Here's the title to the video. Here's the video itself. Here's the content right there. You can just delete that part right there because it just says music because there's music playing. And then perfect punctuation, everything. You can edit things if you want, but you don't have to, okay? You can take out the music part and all that, but here it is. What I would do, like I said before, I would keep the source link so it goes back to the video, just to give them recognitions like that. But like I said, you can remove it. But like I said, it does everything. It adds the tags. It adds the featured image, like I just showed you. It's that simple. So if you would like to get your hands on this powerful WordPress plugin that we developed called My Content Creator Pro, there will be a link right below this video that will take you there. Right now, you can get this plugin. Like I said, it's the elite version, not the basic version. So this is the basic version right here for $47. You can get the elite version right here for $67. It's one time. We are going to raise the price eventually to a monthly or at least a higher level, maybe $97 or $197. But right now, it's $67, one-time payment. You will not run out of content. Like I said, look at the website, see the other features you're getting. This is just one of the many. Literally, this plugin will save your life with content, and you will have access to tons and tons of content, and especially the one-click YouTube video to WordPress post, okay? It's that simple. So thank you so much again for watching this. We really hope you enjoy this you plug in once you purchase it today. And like I said, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it, no questions asked, we'll give you the money back. But I don't think you're going to, because this plugin is going to blow you away at having unlimited content for your WordPress website. So again, this is Chad Porno. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy taking any YouTube video and turning it into a blog post for your WordPress website. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.